Cohabitation agreements. If you are in an unmarried relationship living together, it is important to have a cohabitation agreement for your protection. My name is Laura Hurd, and I'm an attorney who's been practicing family law in San Antonio, Texas since 1987. And increasingly, I'm seeing more and more cases where there is a breakup or a death of a couple who were never married formally, and there's a dispute over whether they were ever common law married. In the case of a breakup, one party files for divorce and the other one says we can't get divorced because we were never married. And in the case of a death, one survivor is claiming there was a marriage and they have certain rights and claims to property as the widow or widower, the surviving spouse, while the heirs of the deceased person are claiming there was never a marriage and that survivor is entitled to absolutely nothing. Legally, they have no rights whatsoever. So it's important to make a will, of course, if you want that person to receive something or to have rights in some way after your death. But absent a will, you need a cohabitation agreement. And also, if you're not married, say so in the written agreement signed by both parties. Make it very clear that you're not married. In the future, if you decide that you want to be common law married, you can always change that. Put something in writing, you both sign it, agree that you are common law married. You can always change the terms of your cohabitation agreement by amending it in writing, and both of you sign it. And make sure that each side has a copy. It's important to talk to an attorney, though. You want to think about things not only about your finances and who's going to pay for what and what are you going to do about a joint account and what are you going to do about jointly owned assets and debt. But you also need to think about, in case of a dispute or a breakup, how are we going to divide things up? And if we can't agree, are we going to mediate? An attorney can ask questions to bring up things that you never even thought about discussing with each other. But you want to discuss it and reach an agreement now while you're still friends and you're on the same page, and not wait until there's a dispute later and you're both claiming the opposite in regard to that issue. So it's important to have a written, signed cohabitation agreement. It's important to talk to an attorney about it. Do me a favor, if you're watching this on YouTube or TikTok, please subscribe to my channel and please like and share. Thank you.